As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Okay, guys, welcome. Good afternoon, guys. This is our live FOMC event. It is Wednesday. This is our last FOMC of 2022. It's 1:30 p.m. Eastern. They dropped the numbers at 2 o'clock, okay, and then 2:30 is the conference. That's when they're talking. So we're gonna get a move at 2 o'clock, and we're gonna get a move at 2:30, and then if you guys are trading power hour, there's gonna be another move. So let's trade careful and let's have some fun, guys. What's up, E-Friend? What's up, bro? So welcome, guys. Let's get started, okay? And rules, guys, rules, okay? Rule number 1, do not over leverage. Rule number 2, don't forget rule number 1. That's the only rules to trading, guys. Respect the rules and your account will get respected. So guys, we're gonna do 3 charts: US 30, Nasdaq, and gold. Okay, I'm not going to be looking at oil. I'm not going to be looking at GU. We're going to stick with indices and gold for FOMC. So whatever one you guys are trading, hopefully there's some analysis for each one. Okay, guys. Real quick, what is FOMC? If you're new here, right over here. Okay. Right over here, let's see what FOMC is. So right here, 2 o'clock, red folders, FOMC economic projections, FOMC statement, federal funds rate. So this was previous 4%. They're predicting half a basis point, 0.5 hike, so 4.5. That's what's baked into the market. That's what that's what it's been said for days and weeks. But if Jay Powell pivots, if he goes 0.75, we're going to see probably an equities dump. We're going to see the market drop. Probably gold as well. So, but if they stick to 0.5, okay, we'll see some moves up and down. Maybe it might move a little bit, maybe it consolidates, but we're going to get some momentum. But if he does something else, like if they go a quarter basis point or no change, then you're going to see probably equity stock market start to rally and start to pump, guys. That's just bias, but bias means nothing. Okay, these guys, remember, they manipulate the market. They can do whatever they want. So let's let the price action talk for us and let's just trade safe. Okay, are you guys all familiar with FOMC? You guys, how many of you guys first time FOMC here? I know some of you guys that have been trading with us for a while, you guys are familiar with it. Kathy, first time? Okay, so please be careful trading. Samuel, you heard he might do a quarter basis point. If he does a quarter, we should see a stock market rally. That's just my opinion. And my opinion means nothing, guys, okay? But that's what I would just predict if they go a 0.25% or no change or something like that, okay? And if you guys want to get involved, little feeler trades until you see the momentum. So let's do a top down, US 30. We traded this, okay? So we had a pretty good Wall Street open. I see it's been, you guys were with PK and things like that. So there wasn't much. It was just like kind of consolidating throughout the day after Wall Street. So let's see now if they really move the market. So our high low today, this is our high low. Okay, so right now it's still bullish. And remember yesterday was a big pump and then they brought it down. We're moving bullish right now. So if we test our high of the day and we break out, we could possibly get up to 34,488, okay? That 34,500 area right up here. That's our next kind of daily. Then these two bodies we're looking at over here. If we continue to rally, maybe get up to here, 34,571, and maybe up to this wick if there's a really nice rally, 34,660s, and then we have a big gap between yesterday's high and see this gap, yellow to yellow tape. So I look to the left of the chart and we can start to dissect a little bit inside here, and we got some bodies, and maybe like right there. That looks like a clean area to place a line. Okay, so let's just go back. What happens if the momentum is bearish? Okay, if the market fakes to the high and comes down. So if we start to exhaust today's daily candle and we start to push down, where could we push down to? Let's see. Okay, so we maybe target this level. Okay, right here. Right here, we might push down to here, 34,277 area. If it further pushes down, maybe down to here, 34,200, and then we're exhausted maybe half of today's candle, then it could get into like that golden zone area, and we'll see what happens here. But if it further breaks, then we're looking down to here, where we opened and closed yesterday. Okay, and then to our daily low. For some reason, if it really tanks, then you're coming down here sub 34,000. Okay, sorry guys if I'm talking very fast. I just had like 2 coffees, and you might see I'm sweating a little bit. I was working upstairs. Guys, you'll see my I'll show you the before and after. If you guys are looking for some carpentry work, I'm available, or cement or anything like that. It's just fun. Okay, so let's go guys. Okay, so bullish. Let's go to the hourly now. Okay, let's break this down. Okay, so remember yesterday's pump, CPI, and then dump, and then we came back. It's making higher lows on the hourly. Okay, so higher lows. If we just draw a nice little trend line from here and we come all the way up, the market is still bullish. Okay, you can see higher lows. It's still getting respected down here, and we're pushing higher highs. Okay, it's still building. But inside here, we have a little uptrend forming, like from Wall Street. Okay, so there's our like Wall Street trend line right through here. Okay, so we're still respecting this parallel channel. Let's look at now some hourly pivots right here. This wick right here. So I'm going to draw a white line right here. That was an hourly pivot. Right now we're above it. So you see 11 o'clock, we made that higher high, then it got rejected. The most of the volume was concentrating here. Now we're breaking up again. So that's our high of the day. And then tape purple to yellow. See the big gap? Look to the left of the chart here. Look it up here. Lots of resistance right here. Okay, lots of resistance right there, and it's kind of half and half from yellow to purple. And if we continue to push up, then maybe come up to this area in here. This is where we have a lot of consolidation. So what I'm going to do is bring this box across and show that there's a lot of consolidation in this area. If we ever come up to this hourly level, we have to know that that's where a lot of volume was concentrated. Same with in here. Okay, so hourly too, it's kind of cooled off. Okay, but it's coming right back up. There is some divergence. Okay, so there is some bearish divergence, but with news, guys, remember, if you saw yesterday, we were talking about it in the chat, divergence doesn't mean anything when there's news. Okay, with high impact news, divergence doesn't mean anything. If we break the trend line, and then our next hourly support is right here, 34,233. Right here, guys, like all of these bodies. Okay, so that's going to be our hourly support. Okay, so currently we are trending up. How many of you guys are in trades right now? Are any of you guys in open trades right now? It's kind of choppy. Look at the market, how it's been choppy. Okay, so what we're going to look for FOMC is something above the daily high. Okay, and maybe we can push up to that big, remember that big consolidation zone I have up here? Okay, and then if we break below here, we're going to look for maybe a hourly break of trend, and then push down to possibly like this daily area. Inside here, guys, I'm going to avoid trading inside here, and I'm not going to take any trades leading in. So even if there is a minor break, guys, I'm not taking trades. I'm waiting for 2 p.m. myself. Okay, unless you guys want to do like little feelers and test out the market and things like that. But I'm just gonna, these are the big areas. Okay, we're gonna watch up here. Okay, so I'm gonna put this big red box up here to show, okay guys, resistance, supply. I'll put a green box like below here to show demand, support. It might bounce around a little bit, and we'll see what the news is. Okay, so that's US 30. I'm just going to keep it like that. It's 1:35. I'm watching the time too. Okay, so we're going to keep US 30 here. Guys, I'll throw, I know you guys like indicators. So 9 EMA, we're right at the 9. and there's the 200. So our 200 is below us. We are above the 200, which shows strength, and we're above the 9 currently, so showing bullish momentum. Okay, so let's take a look at Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is more tech related. How is tech moving lately? Okay, so kind of like some nice daily support down here around 11,500 area. Good support. Yesterday we claimed a new high, okay, but got big rejection. So we might be coming up to like this big area right here, 12,075. Okay, so and guys, this is our last FOMC of 2022. So this is a big one. So just careful. How many of you guys have had a good day trading already? Like, are you guys doing well? You guys got some pips in the pocket, or some of you guys in drawdown? STR 1% loss, break even, cola. Not bad, guys. Okay, so but just be careful trading. Okay, if you're negative on the day, you don't want to compound the losses. If you're break even, trade cautious. If you're in the green today, just up 4%, like that's nice. So but don't lose all that 4%. Make sure you pocket 2.5%, 3%, maybe trade with 1%. Don't give it away. Okay. Okay, so our high and low of Nasdaq is right here. Sammy 6 of 6 blue today. Congrats, big bro. Good stuff. Okay, and now guys, so if we push our high, let's say up to here, maybe we come up to this area, 12,010, okay, and then maybe up to this range, and then you can see above us it's just supply, the big wick, okay. We have our levels, okay. Maybe they might spike it to the high and bring it down, okay. You know these guys play games, so we got to be smart with it, okay. If we come down exhausted, maybe we revisit right here. This yellow line I got from this daily area right here. And next one is the close and the gap of today's candle. Maybe we revisit down here. Then if it comes down to the daily low, we break, push down, maybe to this body to the left of the chart down here. I like this level for Nasdaq right here. Lots of bodies, wicks, wick rejection, so right around there. If we want to get more specific, we can come right inside and get right there, but let's get every angle, so they can't play games today. Okay, so I'm looking at this body and this wick right here. Okay, and we're pushing bullish today. So it opened, it came down, picked up a higher low, we came up, we're pushing bullish, but we still have all of this supply behind us and yesterday's big rejection. Okay, so let's look on the 1 hour how we're moving. Okay, so you guys know yesterday's big spike, CPI came up, like the event didn't even happen, and then it came right back down where it started, and then we've been trading around here. We are in an hourly uptrend currently, still holding hourly uptrend, and if we push, okay, let's see hourly resistances right here. So I'm gonna put a line at 10 a.m. That was our high, 10 a.m. And then trading with PK, it kind of broke out a little further, but then came back in, bearish candle, but it got picked up right away. Okay, so it's a big engulfing candle right now. So if we continue to push and break, here's an hourly transition right here. So I'm going to place a white line at these bodies, okay? And then if it continues to break, next hourly area is the wick right here. And they're separated, guys. These, I know it looks real tight right here, but when you go into the 5 minutes, they will start to open up. If we come down bearish, okay, remember, it's a big bullish candle. If we come down, where are hourly levels where we can come down to? Why don't we look at this candle right here, 11 a.m.'s low and 9 a.m.'s high right here. So we could possibly come back down to this level. Bull is pumping, guys, okay? So the market is moving bullish right now. Wow, okay, so it's really, really bullish, guys. Holy shit. It could continue to break. It's pumping, guys, okay? Let's look on the 5 minutes. Okay, that's why I said if you guys are trading, holy shit, look at this double bottom breaking out, okay? Double bottom breaking out of here. Okay, big move on the 5 minutes. Okay, right here, starting to break out. I don't like to trade leading into these events, but yeah, it could be the pump before the dump. That's why, guys, sometimes they try to bait you in, they suck you in. But if you're quick scalping, you do what you got to do. You know, these are making some good moves for some quick pips, but just be careful, guys. Okay. Over here, okay, we have some supply. I'm putting the supply right here, and right now we're trading into that supply currently. Okay. And then we have, where's our demand? Okay, so holding at this hourly, we held here all day. Okay, so it's holding here for Nasdaq. Okay, we just broke out of here. See the double bottom, down, up, down, and breakout. Okay, and filled imbalance all the way up to here. Okay, so let's let it play around. Okay, and then we'll see how it opens up. Okay, so I'm not going to put any buys or sells or anything. Let's see where it can come down, maybe consolidate in here, and then we'll see if we can break out further. Okay, so if you guys are trading inside, just be careful, guys. Okay, we got about 20 more minutes till we get some news. So right here, like US 30 also broke out, and now it's retesting this area. Okay, so let's see if it comes right back down inside. Maybe if it holds this area. You never know what they're going to do. They could fake it to the high and do something like this and then bring the market down. Okay, it could be like a head and shoulder pattern, but let's just see. Let them move the market and we'll see what happens. Okay, I want to do GBP, or sorry, gold. I'm not going to do Forex, guys. Gold moves pretty good with FOMC. So let's see how gold is moving. I know most of you guys trade gold. Okay, gold on the daily. Right back up to this 1810 area. Okay, so a daily, what is going on with gold? Higher high, higher low, higher high up to the 1810 area. Then we got good support down in here, 1770. We've been continuing to push a new higher high yesterday, and we have our little doji candle spin top in here. Our high of gold today, 1813. Okay, our low today is 1804, okay, around there approximately. And right now we're trading right here, okay, at this daily area, 18089, this area right here. It's where we're trading currently. It's lined up with this wick. So if we continue bullish at our high and we break out, yes, yesterday's high is up there, 1824, but there's got to be some resistance in between here. So when you look to the left of the chart, here it is. Pick out some good daily zones if you like. I'm gonna go right here. My eyes are looking at this body transition. A few wicks bounced off here. We got bodies right here. So 1818, guys, I didn't even have to place a line there. 1818 is always a specific area trading gold. Okay, 1808, 1815, 1818 areas. And then if we start to come down bearish, okay, we come down to our low of the day, and then 1800, okay? We got to place like a psychological line at 1800, but if it breaks, 1800 is always like a magnet to 1797, always. If you guys are trading gold, if you trade gold, 1750 break is like a magnet to 1747. It's like it happens automatic. Not 100% of the time, but it's got a high probability of doing that. So we'll focus on also 1800 range, okay? I'll place another line at 1800, just because that psychological 1800, okay? Let's go to the 1 hour, see how it's performing. Okay, so it had a big pump with yesterday's CPI, okay? And since then, kind of retraced down a little bit, but it's still holding majority of this big bullish candle. So it is still holding support. This is our hourly. Okay, we've got good hourly support right here from 6 a.m. this morning. Right here, so white line. Okay, we've got a small trend line forming from right over here from 7 a.m. Okay, we're still trending up. Where's our hourly resistance? Right up here. 1812 is our hourly resistance. Okay, and then patterns. Okay, so we're coming down, back up, down. Is it gonna do something like this, get that W break? But look at all our wicks above us. Look at all the hourly supply. Every time it tries to break here, 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 it's getting rejected. All of those are impulse breakouts. So I'm gonna put a big red box, supply. Okay, it might come up and then go back down. Here's our hourly neckline. If it really breaks below here. Okay, and at that purple line, that's our low of the day. Okay, this is kind of like our zone we're trading in currently. Okay, so if we get a breakout above 1813, we could get up to 1815, then there's the breakout. There's nothing above us right here. Okay, and look at bearish. Okay, so if we break bearish this level, it could drop, guys, to 1800. But before it gets to 1800, you got all this resistance to the left. 1802. Okay, that's for scalp purposes. This is for like scalping, but with FOMC it moves. Okay, so it might bypass all these ranges. Okay, so and then our current support is right now. Current support is here, 1808. So let's go to the fives, guys. What time is it? We got 14 more minutes. Okay, so we came up into here, rejected. Why? Look at to the left of the chart. Remember this big area? Lots of rejections, lots of rejections, lots of rejections. So currently on the 5 minutes, we have this area that's holding below. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do for FOMC is we'll see for something below. If we break the hourly trend line and maybe push below here and drop down to something like this. Okay, if we break this 5 minute support level, and for a bullish move, I'd like to be above 8. Like you can take some small feelers, but to really break out, we got to clear this area. Got to get through here. Then we can have a nice bullish move, maybe to the high. But we can adjust these, okay? But remember, there is big moves, okay? So if we can consolidate this whole zone and then see what direction they want to move it. Like if you want to scalp inside here, like if it's a bullish candle, like breaking through here to there, that's about 20 pips, okay? But it could come up 20 pips and get rejected. That's the thing. It could come up here, spike, green, catch a wick, come back down. Like it really moves, guys. Okay, so we'll try our best to see what direction it's moving, and we'll wait for volume to come to us. If you want to take any trades and feel something out, maybe small feelers. Nigel, am I concentrating on a specific instrument? On these three: US 30, Nasdaq, and gold. I mostly focus on index trading, so either US 30 or Nasdaq. I might take a couple trades if there is a trade with gold, but me personally, I like to trade more indices. Okay, guys, so let's see what we have. Okay. And then like this is an hourly zone here too, okay? So sometimes when it comes down, we could look for a quick sell below here. Like sometimes it could come down, drop down to here, pull back, and then really break down, okay? But if you're looking for some quick moves, like from down to here, down to there, that's 50 pips, okay? It could be a quick fill, you know what I mean? If we're kind of speculating that maybe the market is gonna sell off, okay? Then we're kind of positioning ourselves. But it could just sell right down to here and bounce right back up. So that's where you got to understand how many pips you're looking for, what type of plan you're going into the market with, what you're looking for. And then if you're waiting for the full 5 minute candles to close for confirmation, you have to understand that then your plan is you're waiting for the candles to close. Okay, so let's talk right now. What could sell the market, guys? So when Powell opens his mouth or the numbers come out, what could make the market go bearish? Interest rate increase, okay? If they say 0.75 or 1 basis point, that's not gonna be good for the market, just talking straight talk. That's not good. How can you have a stock market rally when they're increasing interest rates more than what they're talking about? Okay, that's not good for the market. So that's where, just generally speaking, that's what would happen in the market. But market makers can change things. But what could increase the market is either the half basis point, they stick to what they're saying, maybe the market rallies a 0.25%, that's less than, and that's, they're lowering interest rates, so the equities market may rally. Okay, so now you see, this could be a fake move to the high and coming down. Okay, so again, now that it's coming down, maybe I don't want to take that sell. Maybe I want to just now start to adjust things, because now they're going to play games. So see how it's coming down? Just be careful, guys. We can adjust the sells anywhere, okay? But leading in, we got 10 more minutes. Do you guys have any questions before we get started? And just remember, guys, there could be big moves, like right at 2 o'clock or just before. There could be a big green candle come up here, go up, catch a wick, come down, go back up, like craziness. Okay, so just expect volatility. That's, if I can say it like that, just expect volatility. Enrique, where would I take a buy on Nasdaq? Like, I don't want to give just a number. This is FOMC. This is not a normal trading session. So I'm showing you the supply and I'm showing you the high of the day. So right now it tested it and it's pulling down. Okay, so if anything, if it breaks out of here, yes, it can be an impulse break, but you got to know where it can come up to. It could come up to here, 10 pips. It can come up to the hourly, 25, 30 pips, and get rejected there. So it could come all the way to the next daily, 12,000. There's a 50 pip move. But this is FOMC, guys. Like, it's fast. It might come up here, one big green candle, and if you don't exit with 30 or 50 pips, it could catch a wick and come right back down within 1 minute. Okay, guys, this is a fast market. FOMC is nothing to get fancy with. It moves quickly, guys. So you got to understand what style are you going to trade? Are you going to trade aggressive? Are you going to trade smaller sizing and allow things to breathe? Watch for liquidity grabs. There's various ways how to trade this, but you got to understand that it's a volatile open, very volatile. So some traders don't even trade the first 5, 10, 15 minutes. Maybe they don't even trade for the first 30 minutes until the conference comes. Because remember, we're having 2 o'clock, they're releasing the numbers. Then at 2:30, they actually have the conference where they talk and give guidance and things like that. And then that's going to be another volatile. And then if you guys are trading into power hour, again, that's going to bring some more volatility as well. So let me give you guys the charts if you guys want the charts. And guys, just listen to me, please. Do not over leverage unless you are familiar with trading with larger lot sizes on these type of events. But if you've never traded with large lot sizes, this is not the time you want to do it. Okay, I'm being honest with you. If you want to practice large lot size trading, do it on a different session, not with FOMC, unless you're prepared for the consequences. Some traders accept the consequences, and then it's fair game. You can have big wins and you can have big losses. It comes with how you're trading. Paula, you have new restrictions on FTMO, so I always have to wait a few minutes. Yeah, if you guys, everybody has their different plans, and guys, oh yeah, also France versus Morocco too. I've got it in the background. Okay, guys, so just please, let's trade smart. Who you guys got, France or Morocco? France, guys. I think everybody wants to see an Argentina-France final, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so if we do come back up here, okay, if the market comes back up here and closes, yeah, we could get a new bullish higher high move. Same with Nasdaq, okay? So you see how we got rejected at the high of the day, but if it wants to spike up here, it could be an impulse break. It could be a sweep to grab pending orders up there and could reverse, okay? But you just gotta be ready, okay? Gold is kind of just right inside here. Okay, and guys, another thing, spreads, okay? Spreads increase, okay? So make sure the security you're trading, your spreads, you understand that the spreads, there's slippage involved too when we're trading these events, depending on your broker or prop firm. You know, sometimes you're up $100 and then you go to close out a trade and it's only $70. This happens, guys. It's all about executions from your broker. It's not necessarily the way how you're trading. It's you got to factor all of these things in. You got to factor in commissions, got to factor in spread, and spreads increase. You got to factor in slippage. So make sure you factor that in when you're trading. If something goes up 30 pips, you might only get 23, 25 pips out of it. Like, so you got to understand this as a trader. Frozen terminals. Yeah, sometimes guys, prop firms and brokers freeze. So if that happens, if you're in a trade too and it freezes, make sure you take screenshots or screen record your trade so that you have proof. You can show them. Because sometimes, guys, I've been in a trade too where my Fusion froze and I was down $3,000 and I couldn't close the trade or anything while I was in profit, and I screen recorded it. I went to Fusion, Phil Horner, and they did good by it, but if I never had that evidence, they wouldn't have done anything for me. So make sure, guys, if anything, you have to understand this, okay? As traders, this shit happens, you know? You got to be prepared for it. Okay, so we're 3 minutes away, guys. If I really wanted to get tight and trade this, I could come right in here and catch maybe a sell coming down here, catch a sell below this hourly support. This is if we want to trade like real fast scalping, guys. Can get some moves. Looks like maybe it might be a breakout up here, but could be some divergence coming in. Maybe they want to sweep the highs. Maybe like they want to fake the market up and bring it down and do something like that. Okay, and there's your head and shoulder pattern. So let's see, guys, what happens. Okay, put your seatbelts on, guys. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Be prepared, okay? And everybody, please manage your own accounts, guys, okay? This is a fast market. I'll try and answer all of your questions and things like that to the best of my ability. I'm not over leveraging too. I've made a good percentage today. I'm trading with good sizing, but I'm not gonna just blow my entire gains today just because it's FOMC. Who gives a shit? Okay, it's just another session. You don't want to give back just because it's Powell speaking. You got to know how to conserve your profits, not lose more than you're willing to lose today. Have a set amount where you're trying to risk. And if you're new to this, don't over leverage, guys. This is not the market. This is not the session to do this. Okay. I guarantee you, everybody here, we've all blown accounts on NFP, on FOMCs, on red folders, okay? But we need to stop doing that. We need to stop this. Let's just see, guys, okay? Unless you're prepared for the big move, okay? And you hit it, but it could just come up, catch a wick, and go right back down. Like it's fast, guys. As soon as they release those numbers, you're gonna see a spike up or down. So, let's try and see. Right now they're pumping it, okay, with 90 seconds to go, okay? And then if somebody can just tell me the number when it gets released, that'll be helpful, guys. Okay, so remember, 0.5 is what they've been telling us. That's what everyone expects. Could be baked in, but a quarter or 75, that could really change things. That could be a pivot. Okay, so see how they're spiking it to the high and now bringing it down, okay? And then this is below here, 34,325, could be a drop. And it could, guys, this is a big move. I don't know, like down to there, that's 50 pips, okay? But it could be fast. If you don't like it, don't hit it. Wait for the bigger move down there, okay? Yeah, spreads increasing. Watch your spreads, guys, watch your spreads. Spreads are no joke. Okay, so 30 seconds to go, guys. Try and have fun, guys, okay? If you don't feel comfortable with the volatility, trade smaller or don't trade, okay? Or if you're new, demo account, okay? But let's see what happens, okay? Buckle up, guys. Michael, you're absolutely correct, guys. Okay, here we go, guys. Okay, so they're moving it bearish right now, US 30. Could bring it down, spike up. Okay, here's the open. Whoa, okay. There's the dump, guys. Be careful. Okay. Look at it froze. It froze, guys. Oh my God, the markets are dumping. Okay, catching a big wick. Careful. Okay, trading view froze for a second there. Okay, they're dumping it. It's coming back up. This is what I mean, guys. If you're on the wrong end, 0.50, if you're on the wrong end, you could get screwed. Okay, so it's dropping. So 0.50, okay, it's what they expected. Okay, so the market right now is selling off. It's fast, guys. Okay, so if you don't feel comfortable trading here, relax. I haven't even hit a button yet. I haven't hit a button. It happens so fast. Okay. Okay, just give it a moment, guys. If you missed it, you missed it. Okay, I missed it. I didn't hit the sell button. It's okay. We'll catch something else. Let's see. Maybe is it a liquidity grab to the low and they're going to bring it right back up? Okay, watch gold. Gold came all the way down to 1795 and coming up. Vignesh just chilling and smoking a blunt. Yes, that's sometimes what you got to do. Smoke a joint, guys. Relax. Okay, don't get too excited about this. If you never hit the sell, don't chase right now. Let's see where this body closes. Do you see what I mean? How fast it is? And then if there was traders who were buying, they just got blown up. There was no time to hit the sell. Nigel, I understand. Like even I'm fast fingers, guys. I didn't even have a chance to hit the sell button. It was too fast. So there's nothing we can do about it. Okay. So guys, don't get worked out about it if you missed it. Who gives a shit? It happens so fast. Okay. Let's wait for this candle body to close. If you had the sell limit and it got triggered, that's a different story. Your stop loss did not trigger. That's what happens with volatility, guys. It can bypass everything. Okay, the market is continuing to push down. Holy my goodness, guys. Fuck. Just be careful, guys. Don't get caught maybe selling a big bearish candle, because you might get caught in a big wick coming right back up. Oh, Sammy took the US 30 sell 200 pips. Man, that's quick. Okay. See, look at what Nick said. He set a sell stop and got 200 pips, but due to spreads, it gave him 10 pips, guys. Okay, like you got robbed. That's highway robbery. Your broker robbed you, guys. That's why spreads are insane. Okay, I'm telling you, sometimes it's not even worth it. Okay, that's why let's be patient. Okay, let's see what happens. Maybe the market will recover. Yeah, exactly. It's not worth the risk, guys. It's not. Okay. This is just the first 5 minutes, guys. First 5 minutes. The markets will rotate, okay? They'll rotate. They'll settle down. But let's just... Guys, I have not taken a trade. I didn't even have time to hit the sell button, okay? That thing just dropped and TradingView froze. Okay, guys, so let's see. We're gonna close in 1 minute. Okay, so it was a big drop. Okay, so we broke 1, 2, 3 like daily levels. Okay, so it was a big drop. Let's see now if they pick up some liquidity. Federal funds rate went to 4.5%. Okay, so that's what they were projecting. Okay, so no surprises. Okay, so let's understand what the numbers represent too. So no surprises. They've been telling us half a basis point for weeks now, so they did it. So the market sold off, okay? But is it gonna come back up and rally now? Okay, that's the question. Is it going to come back, pick up this liquidity and maybe rally with the half basis point? Or are we going to close below here and maybe get a retest? Then we can start to maybe look to sell the market, okay? So here's the close of the candle. First 5 minutes too, first 5 minutes. Okay, let's see if this candle comes up. Assume it's going to be green to come up. Let's see if it catches a wick. Yeah, it's coming up, okay? So careful selling this. There's the rejection. Okay, so it got rejected. Okay, so it's small, let's see. Okay, so it got rejected. Let's see if it pushes down. Okay, I'm still waiting, guys. We're still waiting. I just want to see what's going to happen on US 30 at this purple area here. So it caught a wick, okay? So just be patient, guys, okay? Be patient. We're at a critical level right here. We're at a daily and the low and the hourly trend line. France won nothing. Maybe that's why the market dumped, because France scored a goal. Hopefully no one was in a buy, okay? Hopefully none of you guys were in a buy. That's why I tell you guys, don't be in trades before news, because anything can happen, okay? So now we have an ignited candle ready to break, okay? So it's holding here. So this is where we could possibly maybe look. No, cut a wick. Be careful. Holding, cut a wick. Just be careful, guys. Hold. Believe me, guys, I'm an aggressive trader and I'm holding, okay? I haven't hit a trade yet either. And I like to trade very aggressive. So I'm trying to exercise patience too. I'll watch the highlights of the soccer game after, guys. Okay, so we got a higher low, okay? So now the market might rotate up, but let's let it show us that it can come up. And remember, look at it could be like a death cross coming where it pulls up and then it comes down, okay? Is anybody in an active trade right now, or did you guys get lucky with maybe a sell and catch some pips coming out of the market? Okay, now we're rotating back down, okay? So this is where we could potentially look to sell the market here, okay? If it starts to break here, okay? So I'm gonna go in a sell on US 30. I'm entering a sell. It kind of respected this area. I'm in a sell now, okay? And I'll place my stop loss like up to here. So I'm looking for the break here and then continue to push down. Below here, this daily level, maybe come down to here, 881, and next target would be down to here. Okay, so I'm in a sell, guys, on US 30. Shit, I moved this. Yep, okay, here we go, guys. Okay, so we're moving down. Okay, we caught this ignited bar. Let's see if we can break this daily and push down. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's break here. Let's break on this sell right now. Break this daily and drop. Okay. Yes. Okay. If you have time, guys. Okay. If you can break to a break even. Yes. Okay. Dropping. Okay. Guys, these are fast moves. Okay. Guys, this move is 80 pips right now. Okay. This could be 100. Okay. I know you're not going to get the full 100, but guys, we're dropping. Okay. We caught this nice retail. Yes. Okay. Let's catch some money. Guys, don't get too greedy too, okay? So try and move to a break even, scale if you can, but because it might catch a wick. But if we break down to here, 136 pips, okay? It's dumping, guys, okay? But please, guys, manage your accounts, guys. Please, 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 okay? Because this shit moves fast, okay? I'm going to secure some profit down there. Okay, so you see how I waited for that? I waited when I started break, sell, grab some pips and go to a break even. You can't fool around with FOMC, guys, and spreads and shit like that. Brokers free. I can't. There's nothing I can do about that. But okay, we waited for the retest. It broke. It held below the daily, hourly trend line. Broke the wick. We follow the rules. Sell. Okay. There's no question. Enrique, you made 1,700 bucks. Good. Keep your money in your pocket now. Don't fool around. Okay, 1,700 bucks is in a couple minutes is not chump change. Okay, some of us maybe made $17,000 on that trade right there. Okay, but I'm out of the market. That's it. That's, you know, quick pips, guys. Okay. Now the market might rotate back up. Okay, so if guys buys, like if the market comes back up here, this is where we could target some buys up here. Okay, so I'm out, guys. Caught some pips and get out. Okay, I'm not fooling around here. This is not where we can get too fancy and cute here. Just get your shit, get your money, and get out of these markets. Okay, but if it continues to drop, guys, look at where it retested. It retested, see the supply area I just put? If this breaks, guys, could drop a little further. Yes, guys, if you guys are still in this trade, I hope this breaks and comes down to here, 880, okay? See the retest? Right up to the previous supply dropping. Guys, Bookmap is, looks like it wants to test all of this area right here. Like Bookmap is too fast right now too. Okay, so careful now, because we got a new 15-minute candle coming in a few minutes. So remember, the new 15-minute candle can change momentum of the market, okay? We have an equal low right down here, okay? So it's an equal low. So there is some support down there, okay? Right there, equal low support. Careful trading now, okay? So now it might consolidate, trade inside here, and it could possibly break out bullish right through here on the next 15 minutes, unless it can stay inside here. Oof, guys, it's fast, guys, okay? So I apologize, guys, but it is fast, okay? So sometimes when I say I'm getting into a sell, it's a sell, and you guys know the way I trade. 50, 60, 70, 80 pips, guys, I'm not playing games. Sometimes when I trade 5, 10, 15, 20 pips, I'm out. So guys, did you guys catch some pips on that sell, okay? The second sell, the one where we entered? Or did your broker screw you guys over? Did anybody get fucked over by their broker? Yeah? Really? Shit. I'm trading with Fusion right now. I'm not trading an MFF prop account. I'm trading with Fusion. Okay, and I didn't have too much. Okay, look at, okay, but we can possibly catch a buy, guys. Okay, so sells, okay, are done. But let's now look if the volume can come back up to this level, okay, right up here. Enrique, MFF ran perfect today. Good. Okay, that's good. Good to hear. Okay, so now most of us are probably out of a trade right now. So let's sit back. If you got a joint, start it, light it up, and let's see if we get some transition at 215. Okay, so gold, okay, it's forming higher lows. It came all the way down to 1795, higher low 1796, higher low 1797. Now it's pushing back up. If we can close above this hourly, we might get gold to reverse and come right back up. Maybe this was just a market reaction, that quick dump, and now it's going to come right back up. Okay, but let's get confirmation. Let's see some bullish volume close, engulf some red candles, and then we can look for maybe a reversal buy, and then we can place like a stop below this area. Okay, you can see that it's bigger range, guys, so your stop loss might have to be bigger. Okay, so that's where you decrease your lot sizing. I saw somebody made 25 bucks on a tiny lot size. Did I see that? Did I read that correct? Okay, so now, guys, one more minute. I just somebody made 14 G's from the signals who sent those. Yeah, guys, so the AI signal had a breaking point too. So if you grab 14 G's out of that, holy shit, take the day off, get out of here. Man, there's some serious money that you can be made trading, guys, but some serious money can be lost too, okay? So I don't want to just dwell on profits, because you could lose 14,000 just as fast. So just be careful, guys, okay? Yeah, take a month off. Merry Christmas. Get out of here. Lord Boom, 60 pounds on a small lot size. Congrats, bro. That's huge. 60 pounds is big, guys. Don't, I know you guys are trading smaller accounts and it's big, guys. I respect smaller accounts than bigger accounts. Okay, so here's the close, guys, and we're getting a new 15-minute candle. And then remember, we still have the conference, okay? So at 2:30. So let's see now, okay? Did we close? Okay, how did it close? It came up, rejected back down, bearish candle coming down, okay? So assume it's red. Let's see if they pick up some volume, okay? Are they gonna pick up some buyers? No, it's coming down. Can it respect this daily area or respect down here? Okay, so do not buy yet, guys. Don't be looking for buys yet. Let's see if we can catch some support. Danny, 6 of 6 trades today. Congratulations, man. That's not easy on a day like today. So congrats, bro. That's respectable, man. I got it. That's awesome. Hopefully you're proud of that. 6 of 6 is awesome, okay? Guys, we're pushing down, higher low, okay? So they picked up the liquidity, get ready. We could pop in for maybe a nice little impulse buy up here to break up here, maybe shoot some pips up here, okay? So it's coming up, higher low. Let's see if we can break up here. Okay, if it breaks here, I'm gonna go into a buy if it can break this wick. Okay, I'm getting ready. On US 30, same with Nasdaq, same area. Okay, and then maybe we can shoot up to these EMAs up here. It's not there yet. We didn't break here yet. Okay, so wait, guys, let it accumulate. Okay, not there yet, not there yet. Hang on, patience. That's why we have these levels. This purple area was the daily break today, the low. So we're reattempting it, and it's getting supply right there. Okay, so I'll bring this red box like that to show you guys. Careful until we break out of here. Do these red green boxes help you guys, or am I just doing this and it's just do these help you guys? Yeah, okay. Okay, so this keeps you from, buying and counter trading. I don't know, it helps me. So I'm just doing what's natural to me, how I trade. So I do this, okay? That keeps me from taking that impulse buy, because I could have bought that and I'd be in drawdown right now. So I'm still patiently waiting. I'm waiting. If the market goes now below here, then I sell. Okay, with confirmation, maybe if it pushes down. After it pulls back, then the market dumps again. So just let's let the market come to us, guys. Let it come to us. And then we also look for close. Okay, now it's coming right back up. So it picked up a higher low at this daily. Okay, just be patient, guys. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna watch again. This is gonna close in 2 minutes. Okay, so let's see how it closes. It's gonna close strong, hammer candle, ready to break. Again, it's gonna reattempt. We want a nice new higher high break out of here. Spin top is a weak candle coming up, going down. It's a weak candle, so we got to hold. Same with Nasdaq, not doing much, just consolidating inside here right now. Okay, hold up, guys. Okay, some of you guys got a nice pips on a sell. Don't give back to the market. Just be patient. If there isn't a trade, there isn't a trade. This is why we don't want to give back. Just trade smart, guys. If you bank some pips, then we wait. Okay, so now let's watch how it's building. You guys can probably notice I'm focused on US 30, okay, because this is what I'm trading on. So I don't kind of want to flip flop because it's fast and I'm trading on my phone. So I'm staying on US 30, guys, and I'm watching. So it's just me personally, guys. That's how I trade. Okay, one security. Sometimes if I have time, I'll flip flop, but not on FOMC. So gold, guys, if you're trading gold, let's see if gold can close above this hourly. But remember this big supply area, okay, here too. So, but gold is pushing up. Let's see if we can continue build, okay? We're building, we're getting some bids coming in, but we're not breaking this area yet, okay? So let's see if we can break it. It's still building, so we're still bullish currently, picking up higher lows. We got a nice bullish body in here. Okay, now it's forming into a hammer, but let's see if we can break above here. Could be an impulse breakout, okay? And then retrace right back down. And then if they pick up more bids in here, that's why you got to know where to place stop losses. So to place stop losses, we follow the structure, how it's being built right now, okay? Just like how we normally do this in London, New York, in Asian session, in webinars, okay? It's no different from FOMC, but the ranges are much bigger. And then we have the conference in 10 minutes, guys, okay? So now we got a bullish candle. This one might break out of here, okay? So get ready. Okay, it's building. It's building. It's building like it wants to, but hasn't claimed a new higher high yet, okay? We haven't really broke resistance. Not yet. Patience, guys, patience. If you got a joint, light it up. Okay, so it got rejected. No buys. This is maybe a pullback, okay? That could go back down. Maybe we got to get a double bottom, okay? So it came down, back up. Maybe it's got to come back down to pick up a higher low, or maybe a fake break there and then come up like this, okay? It could happen, guys. Okay, but no buys, no buys. Gold is looking like it closed here, but we got 4 wicks. So careful on gold too, okay? Be careful on gold. We might have to wait till 2:30, okay, for the conference. But we might get a move before the conference, okay? It's still building, guys. We're in a very tight zone, okay? Very tight. The auction is happening right here. There's a lot of bids. There's a lot of offers. It's accumulating. Remember, the market is going to break out bullish or it will break down bearish. It's not going to sit in here this entire FOMC session. There's going to be a move, okay? So let's see who's accumulating more and where it could go. So far we are creating higher lows on every single one of these candles, but no more new higher highs. So offers will come into the market and push us down again. It's simple auction theory, bids and offers. Okay, so came down again, coming right back up, spin top, indecision. The market doesn't even know where it wants to move right now, okay? Because I think everyone is waiting for Jay Powell in the conference, okay? So we will get a move when they talk in the conference. But remember, we'll look to sell below here, buy above here, okay? Very similar with Nasdaq, right here. Yeah, the gold wicks this is how gold trades. You see, that's why you guys see why I like to trade US 30 and I like to trade Nasdaq, because gold, it's very finicky. It's very erratic. You got to know how to trade gold. It's a completely different security compared to index trading. You got to understand how gold moves. If you're a beginner, stay away from gold. Yusuf, off topic, there's a rat in your house and you don't know what to do? Man, get a cat, yeah. Okay, so we're breaking bearish right now, okay? So no buys, maybe we might come down and pick up more liquidity down here, okay? So easy guys, okay? So don't force anything. Are you guys in any trades right now? Okay, I only took one trade. It was this candle right here, that retest candle. Because guys, 2:30, we're gonna get big news, okay? So there could be liquidity grabs, there could be fake outs. Just careful, okay? And what I would recommend, guys, if you made some pips or profit on either, I don't know if you sold the market open and you got that, now to protect your money, trade with a size smaller, okay? For example, if you hit this trade with a standard lot size and you banked a couple $100, then trade with a half lot now, trade with a quarter lot, so that you don't give back to the market if you want to continue to trade. This is how you can keep profits and compound your accounts. Okay, it's risk management, it's smart trading, unless you have a good indication of where the market is moving. That's different, okay? No time to deal with rats right now, okay? If you got rats, cats, dogs, tigers, lions, and bears in your house, who gives a shit right now? Because 2:30, we're gonna get moves in the markets. So if you got lions, tigers, or bears, or rats, or cats in your house, focus, guys. Focus right here on the charts. If you got kids screaming, focus, okay? Let the kids scream, who cares? We gotta focus on the charts right now. I have a compressor going and the wife is revving it up, telling me to come back upstairs and do work. Okay, so still came down to the daily. We got a wick, we got a bullish candle coming right back up into the supply area. So we might get it, guys. You know, maybe the market overreacted here on that sell-off and now it's building and we might rotate back up, okay? Possibly, or maybe gets rejected and comes back down. But this is where it's building. One leg down, a leg coming up. Maybe one more leg down, maybe we break out here. Even a nice impulse breakout here, it's good. It could be 10 to 50 to 100 pips, you know. The markets move quick, especially with 2:30, okay? 4 minutes away. So careful, guys, okay? Every FOMC is different, guys. Every single NFP FOMC's red folders are completely different. You might not always get a move like a pattern that always happens, okay? Markets are different every month, okay? I tell you. What if you under leverage and now you want to over leverage? That's what we were talking about in New York. You got to find your sweet trading lot size, your sweet spot, so that you're not under leveraging and you're not over leveraging. You have to decide that what that is. That's different for everybody, you know. Like my sweet spot is standards or double lot sizes, 10 20 bucks a pip. That's kind of like my sweet spot. If I make some pips, great. If I lose a little, I'm okay with it. But you won't always see me trading with Lambos and you won't see me always trading with penny sizes. So my sweet spot is a standard and double. I can trade any security like that and I'm happy. But that's mine personally. You guys got to find yours. What's a Lambo size? A Lambo size is 10 lots, $100 per pip. Not for everybody. I don't recommend that. Okay, so gold, lots of rejections on gold. We're getting rejected. Okay, so it's like a pennant. Okay, we're coming down and it wants to come up. Okay, so remember, pennants both ways. We could break to the upside, we could break to the downside. Okay, but eventually it's going to break out of here. So we're all waiting 2 more minutes. Okay. Okay, so we're coming right back up, Let the market, it's accumulating. There's nothing you and I can do about this. The market wants to accumulate, let it accumulate. We know we have our levels, okay? We got our levels. And guys, I can only go till about 3 o'clock because then I got to go pick up the kids at school. So if you guys are going to trade into power hour, just careful trading into power hour as well. That brings volatility too. Last FOMC, if I can remember correctly, it was kind of real choppy after FOMC leading into power hour. Okay, so guys, get ready. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Okay, so gold has a lot of rejections. 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections. Okay, I'm not personally trading gold. I'm not trading it. I'm focusing on US 30 and Nasdaq over here. Okay, so we're still building, guys. We're still building higher lows, okay? But we have not created the new higher high, but we're building off the bottom. So if somebody is accumulating, like who is more aggressive, it's showing me that the buyers are more aggressive currently in the market. And let's watch now, okay? 30 seconds to go. This thing could pop and squeeze out of here. So, or it could be a fake, could come up and go right back down. So careful, okay? Yeah, there's another rejection. Careful, 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 careful. See, they want to suck you in. They want to suck you in. They suck you in, and then boom, they reverse the market down. Guys, it's like clockwork, okay? Okay, here we go. This is the conference now. This is a volatile candle as well. New 30-minute candle, open red, okay? Is it gonna come down, pick up a quick wick? Let's see if it comes down, picks up a quick wick, and we'll come back up. If not, if it breaks, let's see if it breaks low and comes right back up. If not, catch a wick right here. Okay, hang on, yep, caught our wick, okay? So we caught our wick. Let's see if this rotates to a bullish candle. And again, we're gonna eyeball this area up here. Eyeball up here above this supply zone. Careful, guys. Hold the line, hold the line. Okay, a lot of choppiness. Okay, we can all see that. Let me move these arrows, just get these arrows out of the way. See, guys, this could be like a scratch for an FOMC. Not much going on because they didn't really change the half basis point. So there's not a real reaction to the market, but we could see maybe a pullback. That's what I'm looking for. Maybe it was an overreaction and now we're going to come up and rotate right back up. So let's get ready for it, guys, okay? Roll up another joint if you guys got one. Roll up another one, okay? Just be patient. Yeah, the speech starts. Okay, so this candle came down, but it's still a higher low. Okay, we got to respect that, but we're not creating any new higher highs in the market. So it's still in this consolidated range. We don't trade consolidation. Okay, unfortunately, like look at gold. Gold is horrible right now. Okay, careful with gold. Maybe look for something above here if you're going to trade gold. Spreads are increasing, yeah, because you got to factor that in. Do you really want to trade this shitty zone with shit spreads? No. So guys, you got to be selective. Okay. Got to be very disciplined when you trade. There's a lot of factors you got to take into consideration as a trader, especially as a scalper. Inflation back down to 2%. Is that when? Inflation is at like 7% right now. Did those words come out of Powell's mouth? Did they give a timeline in the next 18 months? That's his target. Yeah, but for how long? 12 to 18 months, 22 years, 5 years? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If you guys remember the early 90s and things like that, what happened there? You got to listen to the details because when they talk, a lot of people get excited. Oh, he's going to get inflation down to 2%, but you got to listen how long the timeline is. Okay, so we're continuing to come down. Okay, so it's bearish. Let's see if maybe it's going to continue to break down bearish. Okay, maybe it's just a pullback and the market is going to continue to sell off. Okay, we have our zones. Get ready, guys. Okay, here's the break. Okay, this candle is going to close in 60 seconds. Let's see if we break a new lower low and catch a retest candle. Okay, so see how the market rotated right back down. Okay, this could be an impulse break to the low. Okay, could be an impulse. I'm going to enter. I'm entering. Okay, I'm going to enter on this impulse. I'm jumping in on US 30. Sell. Okay, I'm jumping in. Yes, here it goes, guys. Okay, yes, guys, it's dropping. It's dropping. It's dropping. My fusion is dropping. Yes, guys, catch your pips. Okay, collect. Okay, Nasdaq is dropping, guys. My fusion is dropping. I don't know about if TradingView is catching up, but guys, that's a 100 pip drop. Holy shit, guys. Okay, Nasdaq. I went in on an impulse, guys. Yes, we caught it. Fuck yeah. Guys, Fusion is still dropping, guys. Okay. Get, guys, 200 pips, please. Secure. Man, I love this shit, guys. You guys are the best. For real. Yeah, fuck the rats right now, okay? I got go buy right now. I'll buy you an exterminator. I'll get you someone, I'll Uber someone to come and take the rats out of your house right now, okay? Get your money, guys, okay? Don't get too fancy, guys. That was a 200 pip drop, okay? I got out. Wow, guys. I don't want to lie, but I went in with a big size on that drop, okay? It was too much of an accumulation. I had to. Okay, good job, guys. Okay, wow, man. Okay, so do you see how long we waited for that? Good job, guys. Wow. Okay, so guys, I'm out. Okay, big Sean, 26%. Shit, bro, amazing, man. Okay, this could be a pullback, guys. But I'm already out. Okay, I told you my Fusion is much faster than this trading view, but I kept telling you guys my Fusion is dropping. So I told you guys to stay on the sell. Fusion market is much faster than trading view. Okay, guys, I don't know if I'm a leading indicator when I'm trading with Fusion, but guys, that 200 pip drop. How many pips did you guys get on that candle, guys? Did you guys grab something? 200, Franco. Man. Wow, guys, plus 100. Blaze, only 9 on that? Okay, guys, I'm done trading for this session, okay? I'm just going to make it clear. I've collected a lot of pips on this FOMC. So I will continue to stay with you guys till 3 o'clock. Do you guys want to unmute? Do you guys have any questions about the trades that we took? I only took 2 trades, but almost 300 pips, guys. That's good enough. Okay, so now if you go to levels, okay, adjust your chart now. This is going to be a new supply right here. This is going to be the new supply going forward, okay? So there's zones, just adjust your charts, okay? Guys, I got a message from a fake Stocksnipertrading account messaging me to buy into his bullshit. So guys, if you get any Instagram, it's not Dave and I. We're not messaging you guys. So tell the guys, those scammers, to fuck right off. Don't give them any money, okay? Me and Dave will not message you guys on Instagram promising you anything. This is where we make money. We make money live with you guys. Tell those guys to right where to go, okay? Don't get caught up in their bullshit. If you can, report them, please. Report and block them. Just look at the name, Stocksnipertrading. Some of them put a 0 at the end, or a hashtag, or some stupid stuff, okay? It's not us. We would never do that to you guys. Okay, guys, so any questions, okay? You guys see how we traded FOMC? Pretty careful, okay? Okay, and that's it, guys. If we hit pips, we don't need to continue to trade. That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. We made some good pips, hopefully, okay? Depending on your broker. You know, I'm not a broker, guys, so I can't help with that. I cannot. So, but that's why, guys, I don't get greedy. It dropped. And if you don't take out money, then the big candle comes right back up. And look, it retraces properly right back up to where it started. That's why, guys, I do not play games. I'm telling you, when I trade, I'm a scalper, okay? I hope you guys understand the way how I trade. I'm not looking to get into this sell and hold it for the rest of the day. I'm looking to catch that money, catch it fast, and get out, and go back upstairs and paint the walls. The wife is waiting. She's got the compressor. Guys, please, do you guys have any questions? Because I know a lot of you guys message us later on about questions. This is when, if you guys have a question, I can answer it, guys. This is why I like to trade indices over gold, okay? Because gold does shit like this, okay? I know a lot of you guys love trading gold. Personally, it's not my favorite security. I'm just being honest with you guys. So I trade what I'm comfortable trading, Nasdaq and US 30. Good job, Franco. Way to recover. Geraldo, 4%. Congrats, bro. Good stuff. Good stuff. Take the day off. Vignesh, take it easy, bro. Elaine, you got 5% for the day. Congratulations. That's huge, guys. 5% in a day is awesome, guys. I'm very proud of you guys. Okay. Good job. How long am I with Fusion? I've been with them pretty much all my life. Like Fusion was my first ever broker when I transitioned from the stock market to Forex trading. Unfortunately, if you're in Ontario, Canada, where I am, they don't have Ontario residents anymore. Anywhere in Canada, get accepted. We got grandfathered in, Dave and I, with them years ago. So I'm never, ever gonna leave Fusion Markets. If you're in USA, unfortunately, they don't accept American residents right now either. But anywhere else in the world, should be good. Driz, no London tomorrow, guys. I'm going to do New York for the rest of the week. Same time, 7:15 a.m. If you guys are good, we'll do New York tomorrow and New York on Friday. And PK does post. And we'll do our webinar tomorrow afternoon. I got my son's basketball game tonight. So we'll do our webinar tomorrow, okay? So... guys, do you guys have any questions about like the sell? Do you guys understand? Okay, so the first candle, guys, let's just review. The first candle was too fast. Okay, you either had a sell limit pending and got triggered, but that happened so fast. Like it was so fast, you couldn't even hit the sell button. I'm a pretty aggressive trader, and sometimes if you hit it, sell, catches a wick and shoots back up. So I told you guys, wait for that candle, let it close. Okay, but then we caught the second candle, and I know it looks like a small candle, but this is a big movements in the markets, okay? So you could have got 20 to, like we sold the bottom down here when it was breaking the wick, and that was a 100 pip move. That entire candle is like 200, okay? Then here, I was looking for buys. Guys, I'm honest with you. I was gonna take buys when it broke that wick. Even on an impulse, I was gonna enter the market. Nothing. That's why I increased the supply box, okay? So it was just a pullback. And then 2:30 started, the Powell's conference. So when they broke right here, as soon as it broke, guys, I wasn't waiting for this candle to close. It was an impulse break, so I entered. Okay, you know when I tell you there's a time and place to trade impulse candles, it's these situations like this. Okay, but if you're continuing to trade, look at how it came, pulled right back up and pushing right back down. If it comes down and engulfs this candle, it's going to dump a little further, like below here. I'm not going to trade any longer. Okay, but if you guys are going to trade, just careful. And this is still, if it pulls back, there's your head and shoulder pattern. Okay, do you guys see it? Here's your left shoulder consolidation. This could be the head that broke down where we sold. If it picks up liquidity and comes back in here, then there's your break right there. Again, that same area, okay? Might break, retest, and then come right back up. And it's like this event never even happened. And then the volume is right back up here, like how kind of like CPI reversed, okay? So if you're trading into power hour, trade careful. This is the the death cross. So we had the death cross. You see where it kind of pulled up back to the 9 EMA, and then now it's diverging away. So that's why we got that bigger drop right there. Okay. Is my broker name is Fusion? Yeah, Fusion Markets. They're based out in Australia. If you want to check them out, they're honestly they're a really, really good broker. Good spreads, good commissions. The server never has issues. Very rarely do I get big slippage with them. Never ever. They're a great broker, guys. I honestly recommend them. I trade with them personally, my live account. So look at gold coming back up. Okay, so gold, okay, if you're trading gold, double bottom, okay, even if you're sitting and watching, it came down, back up. Okay, so we're breaking above the wicks. Look for gold to close above this area, maybe retest, and gold can come right back up to here. Okay, so if you're trading gold, okay, look for it to close above this red zone and look for a retest, and gold could possibly pump up. Look at the market pumping right back up. Guys, we might even get this on the new 15-minute candle. Guys, we might get a reversal in the market up here. Hanko is good. I like Hanko because of crypto reasons. If you trade with crypto and want to get paid out in crypto, Hanko is like a crypto account. Guys, what's this? What's a 1-0 France? And guys, please, okay, if you made some money today, if you made some pips, don't even trade power hour. Walk away from the markets, okay? Go smoke a joint. Go smoke a joint. Go for a walk. Okay, guys, I'm done trading. Okay, so I'm not trading any longer. I stick to principles. I'm done. I've really exceeded a daily goal today, so it's all good. If I'm going to trade, like if I was to continue trading, I would be going in much smaller sizes just to practice, again, to perfect your craft, what you do. But guys, do not give back to the markets, guys. Some of you guys showed 5%, 8%. Guys, that's someone's weekly, monthly goals that you guys hit in one day. You got to understand these numbers. Yeah, so if they're pushing it back down, guys, these are pullbacks, okay? They're pulling back. Nothing is getting confirmed. We're not getting any good buying volume closing above critical levels. See, this one tested the daily, yellow line, pushed right back down. That's the importance of why I do top-down analysis. That's why I use these color codes, because look, it pushed right up to the daily and right back down, okay? It might need to form now a double bottom. Is there any bullish divergence? A little bit, but it's still very aggressive selling pressure, okay? So the market is still selling down. Okay, if anything, look for buys above here. Look for buys above here. Gold, look for buys above here, okay? And then watch what's going on the other side, okay? You know, when we're really focused on just the red candles, remember I was looking here, higher low, higher low, higher low. They were building, but the sellers were aggressive. It came, they absorbed all of that liquidity in here, and then they dumped the market down, right? Perfect timing at 2:30. So you see how everything is like clockwork. It accumulates. As soon as the conference starts, then they redistribute it down, okay? Remember I told you, we're either going to break to the upside or we're going to break down to the downside, okay? So that's trading in a nutshell, guys, you know? The more you get better and better and better at this, guys, these markets can be your financial bank account for the rest of your life, okay? You have an ATM machine in your house. Elisa, they're not happy because he's not answering the 2023 question. Yeah, he's going to shy away from it, guys. He's not going to, like, he knows we're going into a deep recession. But he doesn't want to put that out there because the markets, equities markets could really dump, guys, if he puts that out there. I think he knows what he's doing too. I don't try to make it look easy, honestly. But I like to trade where where the volume naturally comes to me, if I can put it that way. Okay. I've never said once I can make trading look easy, or I take losses too, just like you guys. But I try and be as disciplined as possible, but also being aggressive too, you know, when the situations allow you to be aggressive by waiting patiently, okay? So that's why I went aggressive here. That's why I went aggressive here, because I waited patiently for candles to close. The first one, it came down and it closed. Remember here, it was retesting the daily and the trend line. And then as soon as it broke, boom, the break of the wick, drop. You know, sometimes when we're trading like that on another session where we're looking for 10, 15 pips, but on volatile, it's 100 pips, okay, with volatility. Alex, is using a sell stop in this scenario too risky? I don't use pending orders. I don't want to speak on that because personally, I've been burned too many times with pending orders in the market where they'll come down, trigger you, and it goes opposite direction. I like to be in control. That's why I do market executions. I don't know how to explain it, guys. I'm not a big fan of pending orders. I know some of you guys do really well with them, but when I used to trade like that, I used to get burned by brokers all the time. Maybe I had the wrong broker at that time, And but I got so used to market executions, that's how I trade. I'm not knocking you guys if you guys use pending orders, but just get comfortable and familiar with how they trade. Guys, too, here, if it breaks, you're gonna make a new lower low. Where could it go down to? Look to the left of the chart, down to here. We might drop 33,000. No, it caught a wick, okay? But if it does come down, your new level is right there, 33,560. Just caught a big wick, okay? So watch, guys, okay? Up here, okay? Could be a head and shoulder pattern. Okay, they're grabbing lots of liquidity down to the low. Okay, remember, if it comes in here, consolidate. Look for, if anything, power hour. If you're going to look to buy above here, if you're going to look to buy above here, okay, it's moving up right now. Okay, remember, we have 10 more minutes, and then it's power hour, and then we have a new hourly candle entering the market. Tony, my pleasure. Sorry if I'm talking too much, but I try to talk and educate. I'm trading live with you guys too. I try and answer all of your questions. It's not the easiest session to trade. FOMC is a very difficult session to trade. But guys, with patience, with discipline, it doesn't matter what session we're trading. That's all it takes, guys. If you feel like you want to take a little trade, again, little feelers until you get the good direction and you're confident with the direction, then you can step up those sizes. But remember rule number 1, do not over leverage in trading anytime, okay? And rule number 2, do not forget rule number 1. And your homework for tonight, guys, is find that sweet lot size that is your size for you personally. Think about it. What lot size, when you take a trade, are you happy with 10, 20 pips? Like, honestly, like, I mean 10, 20 pips and you're happy with it. Not 10 cents and you go up $1 or $2. I'm talking for real. Like, what lot size is good for you? A quarter lot size, where if it goes up 10 pips, you make 25 bucks. If it goes up 20, you make 50 bucks. But also on the side coming down, if you lose 10, 20 pips, if you lose 25 bucks or 50 bucks, if you have a 10, 15, $20,000 account, you're trading within your risk. You know what I mean? Don't trade with Lambo lot sizes, guys, if you've never traded with those, okay? Don't trade with triple lot sizes if you've never traded with those. Work your way up gradually. But if you're just trying to speculate something small, okay? When I do small speculations, like with low, I don't count those towards my pips of the day. Like, even if I traded FOMC and I went in with 10 cents and it dropped 100 pips and I went down 10 bucks, you know, I don't count that as I lost 100 pips today, because those are just speculative trades. Those are just feelers. I count my normal sizes as my daily goals and losses for the day. So we'll talk about this on the webinar. You can ask questions. This week's webinar tomorrow, we're going to talk about the importance of higher time frame opens on 15, 30, and 1 hours, why it's very important for scalpers, guys, okay? I want you guys to learn this skill, and it will really, really help you guys out too. That's why you got to be selective when you're taking trades. Like, if it's 2:58 right now and we're 2 minutes away from power hour, if you enter a trade, it might reverse on you just because it's a new high volatile candle at the top of the hour. Maybe it's best to wait it out, you know? Discipline, patience, okay? Geraldo, it's my pleasure, bro. Anything that I can do to help you guys in your trading, if it's just talking, like, you know, you guys are smarter than me. You guys are already in trades. If you just, I'm just providing a little analysis too. If it helps you guys, that's great, you know? But I try and break down everything, how it's happening live. I trade with you guys. I trade live with you guys. I'm telling you guys honestly exactly where I'm buying, where I'm selling, where I'm placing stop losses and things like that. But I don't want you guys, because I have a different risk tolerance than you guys. I want you guys to understand that, you know? Don't compare yourself with the way how I trade, or how Dave trades, or how PK trades, or someone else in the group, because we don't know what size accounts everyone's trading with. But percent and pips, we can all talk the same language, okay? That's a universal language, and it's known worldwide. Brandon, you lost 2,000 because the stop loss did not trigger, waited, then made 4,000 back on the next trade. Oh man, as soon as I read your first sentence where I saw you lost 2,000, my heart stopped, and I didn't want to end the call like that, but I saw that you made 4K, so congrats, bro. That's what happens, guys. Like, whether the stop loss doesn't trigger, that's not your fault. That's not your fault, but stuff like that happens, guys. That's a brokerage issue. you know. So thankfully you made some money back, okay? Because as soon as I read that, my heart just stopped. But good shit, bro. I'm happy that you recovered. Okay, guys, so that's it for me, guys. I gotta go pick up the kids. Guys, if you're gonna continue to trade, like watch up here, okay, this level, where we were trying to break above for Nasdaq up here. But if you can listen to me, walk away, watch the football game, enjoy your day today. We'll be back tomorrow morning for New York. So guys, just take the day off, okay? If you made some good pips, remember, we're leading into the holidays, guys. It's nice to make some extra money for the holidays, hopefully help out the family and things like that. I want you guys to have good holidays. 2023, I'm telling you, is going to be a great year for all of us. We're going to go harder than ever. But take your time learning, guys. Watch a few webinars, get understanding of how price action works and things like that. So thank you, guys. It was a very fun session for me. I love trading with you guys. It's always a pleasure. I appreciate all of you guys taking your time out of your day to trade with me. So hopefully you enjoyed today's session with myself and PK, and Dave is on holidays enjoying himself right now. And so guys, enjoy your day. God bless everyone. Thank you, guys. Congratulations on everyone that's learning and earning. If you were using a demo account today, continue learning. If you were trading with penny sizes, still learn, okay? You will get to the level where you can trade eventually live with some real money. But if you're still learning with demo, that's amazing, okay? Just take your time getting there. This session is very, very fast, guys, okay? It's not easy to trade these type of sessions. Here goes gold, okay? So gold could be getting ready to, and indices could follow, but be careful. Let it get up there and prove to us that it can break above here if you're going to continue to trade. Good job, Cola. You're up 1% from break even this FOMC. Good. Happy for you. Okay, guys. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Get some rest. Hopefully everyone wakes up tomorrow morning healthy and we're ready to go. Okay. Have a good day, everyone.